baker has made a set of mermaid cupcakes with fondant tails. I've done it myself countless times. But what if you could make tails in something yummier? I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you how to create mermaid tails in homemade marshmallow. From my DIY marshmallow recipe that tastes way better than any store-bought brand, to the tricks you need to create custom marshmallow shapes, I'm showing you how to make mermaid marshmallows in silicone molds. First, we need molds. I like these silicone molds because they have details like scales in them, but more so for the fact that they are deep, almost an inch. See the details like the mermaid star and the starfish suckers? We prep our molds by spraying them with nonstick cook spray. Do not be afraid to give each cavity a good spritz. Then, take a food-safe paintbrush and brush the spray up the sides of the molds. This will ensure easy removal when we are ready. Make sure you get all those small, hard-to-reach crevices. They're really important to make sure that they're covered. Every baker has these silicone tail molds in their arsenal, so I'm making sure to use these molds as well, which is much more shallow and detail-filled. Repeat the prep steps of spraying and painting the mold with a food-safe brush. Now let's make our marshmallows. Start with water and unflavored gelatin and place it in our mixing bowl. Give a quick stir and set aside to bloom for a few minutes. While that's happening, in a small pot, add sugar, water, and corn syrup. I'm using light corn syrup. A great tip is to spray your measuring cup with non-stick spray to keep the corn syrup from sticking to your measuring cup. Give a quick stir and then head to your stovetop. You're going to heat this mixture over medium-high heat until it reaches 240 degrees. Use a candy thermometer so there's no doubt about the temperature. If you're new to my channel, hey new friend, welcome! Each week I share recipes and fun dessert decorating ideas, so subscribe to see what we make together next. Keep an eye on those bubbles and the thermometer so you don't overheat the mixture. When you get to down in the sugar starch mixture, which will make it less sticky and also help keep the air off of it. OMG, look at the tail. So squishy! You can see the scales and the fins as well as the star. Let's test those small molds. Yep, they work too. You can now have super spongy marshmallows. Look how spongy they are. Remove the excess powdered mixture by shaking off the marshmallows in a sifter. Don't let them swim away. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. You have an absolutely delicious homemade mermaid marshmallows, loaded with details and perfect for your under-the-sea party. I hope you enjoyed making mermaid marshmallows with me. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.